water. Perfect for a hot day. Oh.
Yes, please. I'm so thirsty.
Hold it close.
Uh-huh.
Look.
Thank you.
Drink water when it's hot. It keeps you safe.
Okay, I need to go. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Ooh, very hot day. Water, water. Daddy, I need water.
Oh, take it.
Ooh.
Go to play.
Why everything is so dry?
When it's hot and there is no rain, the forest can catch fire very easily.
Even from a tiny spark?
Even from a small one. Take a look.
What? Oh no!
You see? Very easy.
Look! Smoke!
Oh no! Run! Oh no!
The forest is on fire.
Wait a minute! Time to stop the fire! I have to go.
Emergency call. Hello. Please come. I need help. Who?
Don't go close. Stay safe. Good, but let's put these signs for safety. Don't go near.
Uh-oh.
Call for help. Stop! Fire danger. Are you okay?
Who? I'm good now. Oh wait, water. We need more water.
Better now.
Ah, perfect.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I'm back. Cool.
Good job, Francesca. Remember, in real life, only adults and firefighters handle real fire. Super Fire Helper is a pretend hero.
Stay close! Hey! I found something sparkly! Nope, it's just a shiny bottle.
Keep looking. The gold must be close. Oh, what?
Wow! Look at his face! The river looks perfect for finding gold!
Yeah, let's dig up some shiny treasure.
Do you think the gold is hiding under those big rocks?
Maybe. Let's see.
Run! Oh no. Be careful.
I'm sorry! We didn't see you! We're just looking for gold!
Run!
Hey, leave us alone! Go away, please!
Oh no!
If being gentle doesn't work, I'll go with something stronger.
What? Run!
Danger.
No!
Stop! I thought gold was the most valuable thing we could find. But I was wrong. What matters most is taking care of each other and our world.
Great work, Darius. Now let's explore safely.
Smart thinking. You see, real treasure lives in kind hearts and wise choices.
From now on, we'll be protectors, not just explorers. Let's make this place safe, special for everyone. But first, tell me, is it gold? Is it really gold?
Nope, it's a chocolate golden coin. Want some? I like chocolate too. So please, taste it.
Oh, sure, it's chocolate. Best treasure ever.
Okay, my friend. All the chocolate is yours. I'm happy you learned your lesson. Bye bye. I'll stay here for a while. The safest place. Right under these rocks. The river is my home. Time to say goodbye. See you later.
Wow! Thank you! Great work! Let's put up some signs to help everyone stay safe and respectful in the wild.
Yippee!
Bye bye!